Alright guys, Carter here. I just want to bring you a quick trade recap of how the day went. I know I didn't post Wednesday or Thursday. Um, Brief recap of those days. Took a few losses, took a few wins, nothing crazy. Honestly, wasn't my best trading. Started to lose confidence a little bit. Just had a few like small losing days, like nothing crazy. I wasn't hitting my max daily loss or anything like that, but yeah, it was less than ideal trading the past few days. But today got my comeback, right? So obviously right here, this is a losing trade. This is the first trade that I took this morning, and I entered the shit way too early. I traded it right after market opened 2 minutes. So I caught the manipulation like down to then continue higher. And so basically the whole trade idea behind this though was inverse fair value gap, create a new fair value gap, change the state of delivery, enter target opposing liquidity, which would have been down here. And as you can see here, we gapped up today, and I really wanted to see this gap act as a big magnet for the markets, and so I was targeting this lower sell side liquidity level. Obviously didn't play out in my favor, no worries. It wasn't a perfect trade, probably like a B, maybe like a C setup. It wasn't that good. I didn't have much conviction in it. Only did two cons, lost about $200, right? No worries. Let's move on to the next. MNQ. This is where we made the money today, guys. So we'll zoom it out here just so you can kind of see what I was looking at. Let me turn this off. Okay. So we're obviously in bearish order flow. We had this NWOG, the new week opening gap that we traded into on Wednesday, traded through on Thursday, tapped on this 4-hour fair value gap, rejected off of it, and now there was this opposing liquidity lying down here. Right, so on the 4-hour, we have the swing point low, which is actually an equal low that we could have targeted. I had conviction to trade it through this 4-hour swing point though, right there. And so that's where I took my profits. Let's see here. 15-minute, pretty clean, obviously looking mad bearish. And then let's just zoom this into the 1 minute so we can show you guys the entry. So market open at this line, of course, manipulation down, up into this 1 minute inverse fair value gap, rejected off of it after the rebalance. We come down, and then I wanted to enter here, but it was a bit too early for me. Luckily, we came back up, creating a fair value gap here, little 1 minute order block. And also I considered this and this line right here as the change in the states of delivery, plural because I saw two of them. And so after the second one, I see, okay, we're respecting this 1 minute fair value gap. And I wanted to wait until the new 4-hour candle came out, which evidently there was news. Let me pull that up. We had at 10 a.m. we had revised UOM consumer sentiment, and obviously it came out negative, pushing, which was price was like it was going down, right? We knew price was going to go down today. It was pretty obvious. We never swept this sell side level, sorry, buy side level. We put in a bearish SMT at the top, two changing the states of delivery here, and this 5-minute fair value gap that was being respected. We did wick through it. Sorry, 1 minute fair value gap that we wicked through. But yeah, overall this was pretty solid. I entered here on the 10 a.m. candle when news came out. I had a limit order here for 3 cons, so I risked about $214 to make 1,287 on this trade, and it was 6 RR, so I can't complain there. My limit order got filled, and we came down to hit my take profit. And like I said, this was the 4-hour swing before the equal lows on the 4-hour, so that's what I had conviction to take. I could have hit a 7 RR, but this was just perfect for me. Big win on the day, small risk, high reward on today, and so I showed up, executed properly. And I'm glad that I ended up getting the entry that I wanted, that it filled me in there. I was in drawdown for a total of like 3 seconds. Tapped me in, came up, and then we reversed all the way down and started seeing some big moves. So I was in this trade for about, I want to say, what was that, 10? I was in this trade for 26 minutes, guys. And I profited about $1,054 on the day. So I will be taking a payout, and then Monday I'm going to take the day off as the payout's being processed. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I got though. pretty simple day. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Always open to chatting with anyone watching these videos. So, yeah, that was pretty much all for the day. Pretty solid. Can't complain. Can't complain. 6 RR trade. And my confidence is back. Let's just put it that way. So that's all I got for you guys today. I'll be back with some videos probably on Tuesday or Wednesday this coming week. I'm thinking I'm going to take Monday off, being that my payout should be getting processed, hit the bank account, and then we'll be going on from there. So that's all I got for you. Everyone, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy yourself. Get outside. Spring has sprung. So I will talk to you guys in the next week. Thank you.